cats be mowing their lawn right there.
Hey guys, it's Romi here, and this is my first video, which is super exciting considering I probably filmed this video or like tried to film a video for the past 6 years. I don't want to keep the intro super long because I want to get right into it because I have a really fun idea for this video that I'm hoping works out. Basically, I filmed like a million videos since like I was 14 years old. I never really uploaded them because I'm like, who? Like, I feel like who would even care? I have this time off now, we're in quarantine. My college is most likely going to be online next semester. So I'm like, why not? You know, like it's fun to work on something that I'm passionate about and then also share it with other people and hopefully inspire them, because I know that I personally am not getting my ass out of bed enough. Maybe it can motivate me and motivate you too. So yeah, so anyone that doesn't know, I am a student at the Fashion Institute of Technology in New York. I study fashion design. I took like a gap semester between high school and college, so I should have been graduating now with my associate's degree and starting my junior year, but I'm like a semester behind. So in the fall, I'll be finishing my associate's degree. I'm just giving you some background info so you know why I'm going to do a lot of, hopefully I'm planning on doing a lot of easy DIYs or like projects that I'll be working on, is because I study fashion design. So like that
is my major. I do want to like pursue that as my career when I get older.
I've always been into fashion, literally since I was a little fetus. It was never really into the sewing part. I was always more into like illustration, but I got my first sewing machine, like actual home small sewing machine, when I was 14, like the summer before freshman year. And she's had her time. She wasn't very good to begin with. I'm planning on buying a Juki like professional sewing machine this August, so if I'm still filming videos by then and this like goes according to my plan, then I'll probably show like a little video of me getting it and setting it up and like using it. I have a brother machine, that's what it is. If anyone's wondering, it's a brothering machine. Got it from Walmart for like $99. Speaking of my term garment that I had to do for draping class, we had to sew a jacket. I figured I'd show it really quick because this was my term garment. I'm really proud of myself for doing it and using the materials I had at home to begin with. I think like under all the circumstances of like stress and like quarantine and using the materials I've had, I think that, I don't know, she's pretty good. I will try on really quick. Asymmetrical. Sleeves are double-lined organza. The back is double-lined organza. This is all corduroy. So I ordered from Walmart like 2 days ago. Literally came so fast. My mom actually just called my name right now and said that something came in the mail.
I heard something.
That something came in the mail, so I actually think that's more elastic. So I ordered elastic. So long story short, I ordered 2 things from Walmart. I ordered a Champion tee, like a men's extra large Champion tee, and I ordered a Wrangler men's.
I keep hearing things and it's like spooking me out.
Yeah, men's Wrangler button down, like khaki shirt, like work shirt. And I've been seeing these Instagram accounts where they're literally selling like the Co-Ord sets, like crop tees with like elastic at the bottom and then like matching shorts for so much money. Like literally, like this girl was selling it for like $80, and I'm like,
honey, like I could do that.
For so much cheaper. So that's what we're doing today. I've never done this before, like this specifically. I've obviously done things that are more complicated, so like I'm very confident in my abilities. I'm thinking of also selling these, but I feel like if they come out really cute, I'll end up wanting to keep it. When packages are like, y'all really do not need to like go this hard for a package. So yeah, just the Champion tee came in today. So I got a bright yellow, thought it could be really cute for summer. I got an XL, which I'm thinking the sleeves are probably gonna be too big, but I think that it could be really cute. Oh, this is the shirt, Champion tee. I am going to try it on to do it before and after.
So let's do that. Also, oh my god, getting dressed, like when you're not wearing makeup, you like have to when you are wearing makeup, you literally need to squeeze your head through like the neck and like become a little like worm.
So this is it before. I don't know if you see it. I might need to move the camera on. Huge. Literally huge. I think the first order of business is to do the top portion, because the top is just cutting, doing a casing for the elastic, and then popping the elastic in there. For the shorts, it's a little bit more complicated. I'm probably going to draft a pattern from shorts I already have that fit me well, and so I'll probably have to do it on pattern paper. What I'm thinking of doing is actually taking it in all the way in, and then sewing in the elastic. We're going to rip the tag off. So I am going to prop the camera up here so you guys can see what I'm doing. We're going to grab my fabric scissors. I got these from Amazon. They're Ginger from Italy. I just love like heavy duty metal scissors. I actually have to get these sharpened because I'm a bad girl and I use my fabric scissors on paper. We're working with now. What we're gonna do is turn it inside out. The first thing I'm gonna do is actually sew the sleeve in. I'm gonna say probably another inch in, maybe even 2. At this yellow thread, I would just need to set up my bobbin. So I do have new bobbins. So we're gonna thread our machine. As I was saying, I'm just like setting up my yellow thread on my bobbin because I had black in and I wanted to match the shirt thread. But now we are going to thread the machine. Many people think it's so easy, but you really need like everything to work in the way that it needs to in order for it to come out good. I cannot tell you how many times I rethreaded a machine. So now we're just going to tighten it a little bit since it's really big. I am going to do 2 inches, I think. Now, because we have a new side seam, we're gonna clip this open. We have a new side seam, and I'm just gonna do a zigzag stitch along this whole side to keep it from fraying. It's not for me to say you love. It's not for me to say. So far this is what we have. That just brought in the sleeves a little bit and the sides, and now we're gonna make a casing. Start sewing the casing. It helps. Starting elastic can be like a very frustrating thing to do. Definitely helps putting a safety pin on the edge of the elastic. So you just put this through here. Stitch this really quick. to shove that in there. So my camera just died. Its battery life is like literally not long enough. It's like 2 seconds. But I just want to show you that I'm basically done with the shirt. Last step is to always sew the end of the casing. I'm gonna stitch down this last part.
I really need to invest in a good chair too, because I literally feel like I'm like the hunchback of Notre Dame by sitting in a chair all day.
Is the shirt. So this always needs to be ironed. Like, new seams need to be pressed open. It makes a huge difference. So this is the top. Super cute. I really like it so far. What I'm gonna do now is I just kind of place my shorts right here in half, and I'm gonna just cut. We're gonna sew it at the crotch. We always sew the right sides together. Pinned, crotch is pinned. I'm going to sew it down now. So here are the front of the shorts. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna trace the back. I just took a long break. I had some dinner and I'm just about to finish the shorts up right now. All I've done so far is this is the front, this is the back, and I need to attach the back to the front leg. Now the last seam, well not the last, I have to do the hem and the casing. The last seam would be in the butt, so we turn it inside out because it always right sides together. So now that the butt is sewn, basically everything is done other than the hem and the casing. Now I gotta just do waist. So we're gonna measure my waist. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I had fun doing it. I really love how it came out. I think it's super cute. I can't wait to wear this. Leave my Instagram down below if you want to follow me. That's pretty cool. And don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. I'm sure I'm going to be posting a lot more of this kind soon.